Are you ready to level up? What's up, everybody? It's Suresh here, and summer is finally here. We've got months of freedom ahead of us, and I'm hyped to help you make the most of it. Forget boring vacations. We're about to turn this summer into a challenge, a wild ride of learning, growth, and straight-up fun. Over the next few minutes, I'm dropping 10 game-changing hacks that'll transform your summer break. We're talking about the kind of stuff that doesn't just kill time. It actually levels you up as a student and as a person. Think of it like a video game, but in real life. The best part? You don't have to choose just one. The more you try, the more epic your summer becomes. So buckle up, grab a notebook, and let's get this summer started. First things first, we gotta talk goals. Think of it like choosing your character's powers at the start of a game. What do you want to achieve this summer? Do you want to ace your exams next year, learn an instrument, or maybe finally finish that giant Lego set? Write those goals down, break them into smaller quests or weekly tasks, and watch yourself conquer them one by one. Trust me, that feeling of accomplishment is better than any victory royale. Summer is the perfect time to become a master of something new. We're talking skills that make you say, yeah, I can do that. Always wanted to build websites? Learn to code. Dream of writing a bestseller? Start that novel. Photography, graphic design, public speaking. The possibilities are endless. There are tons of online courses and resources out there. Pick something you're passionate about and just dive in. I'm talking about ditching the textbooks for a bit and diving into something you actually want to read. Fantasy, sci-fi, biographies, comics, whatever gets you hooked. Imagine being able to impress your friends by casually dropping facts about ancient Egypt or the solar system. Join your local library or an online book club. It's like a social media platform, but for book lovers, and honestly, it's way cooler than scrolling through memes all day. This is your chance to unleash your inner rock star, artist, or athlete. Spend time on whatever gets you fired up. Always wanted to learn guitar? Do it! Love to draw? Fill sketchbooks. Passionate about a cause? Start a blog. This is about way more than just hobbies, guys. This is about discovering what makes you. And who knows, maybe you'll uncover a hidden talent that'll blow everyone away. Volunteering or interning isn't just about adding lines to your resume. It's about making a real difference in the world. Plus, you get to meet amazing people and learn valuable skills you won't find in a textbook. Think about it. Helping at an animal shelter, coaching a kid's sports team, or even interning at a local business. It's like a side quest with real-world rewards, and trust me, future you will thank you for it. Let's be real, sitting around all summer isn't doing our bodies any favors. But exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Turn it into a challenge, a competition with yourself. Set a goal to run a certain distance, try a new sport, or master a yoga pose. Remember, a healthy body means a healthy mind, and a healthy mind can achieve anything it sets out to do. So, it's time to trade those screens for some real-life scenery. We're talking about exploring new places, even if it's just in your own town. Maybe visit a museum, hike a new trail, or check out a local festival. Traveling really opens your mind to new cultures and experiences, and honestly, you never know what you might discover. It's kind of like a real-life treasure hunt, and the memories you make will last way longer than any Instagram story. Let's face it, a messy room can lead to a messy mind. So let's give your study space and your life a total organization overhaul. Get rid of anything you don't need, organize those shelves, and create a workspace that inspires you. Trust me, a clean and organized space can do wonders for your focus and productivity. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain, and it feels amazing. Now, I know what you're thinking. School in the summer? No way. But hear me out. This isn't about cramming for tests. It's about keeping your brain sharp and engaged. Spend some time reviewing last year's notes, get a head start on next year's syllabus, or even try some fun brain games and puzzles. It's like a workout for your brain, and it'll pay off big time when school starts again. In a world of constant distractions, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's where mindfulness comes in. Take some time each day to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with yourself. Try meditation, journaling, or simply spending time in nature. It's like hitting the pause button on life's craziness and giving yourself a chance to breathe. Trust me, a little mindfulness goes a long way. So there you have it, guys. 10 epic hacks to transform your summer break from ordinary to extraordinary. Remember, this is your summer, your chance to level up in every aspect of your life. Drop a comment below and let me know which challenges you're going to try. Let's motivate each other and make this the best summer yet. Have an amazing break, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.